Recently, I have seen tons of AI UGC content going viral, and most people don't realize that these videos are actually AI generated. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make these videos for yourself so you can use them to help you grow your own Instagram page or promote your own business. Now, I talk quite a lot on this YouTube channel about how you can make money with Instagram, and one of the ways that I talk about quite a lot is selling digital or physical products on your page. In fact, I've done this on my own theme page, Millionaire Aesthetic, and I've made thousands in the process of selling digital products. And the way that I actually went ahead and did this was by posting tons of content and hoping that people would find the link in bio. However, I am always looking and thinking of ways that I can go ahead and optimize this to make more money from the page. And when I saw these AI videos, it actually went ahead and gave me an idea. What if I could use an AI generated creator to go ahead and promote my product so that I can then pin it to the top of my Instagram profile, so when people come across my profile, they might go ahead and click on that video and then they'll understand a bit more about my product before they go ahead and get sent there by the AI generated video. And that way they're just going to know more about the product, they're going to know where to look to find this product, and if they're interested in it, they're probably going to be a lot more likely to buy because I've already been kind of sold by this ad that I'm going to have there from this AI generated creator. However, before you go ahead and do this, and before I show you guys how you can do this, we're going to go ahead and take a look at my Instagram account. So we come over to my laptop. As you can see, I'm on my page right now, Millionaire Aesthetic, and as you can see here, learn how to make money with faceless pages. Right now I'm actually pushing my Discord server on this page. However, another product that I do sometimes push in the link in bio is my clip pack, or my resource pack, or growth pack you can call it. So let me just go ahead and click on this link just to show you guys what this looks like. So this is my clip pack, or my resource pack, that is filled with different things such as resources, as well as it also has some like mini courses and things like that in there. And this is a thing that I'm going to create the ad for with the AI generated content today, because I'm always sort of switching between this and the growth pack as the link in my bio, and I would probably want to test it out more so with the growth pack. But as we can see here, if we take a look at my content right now, in reality none of these people are going to know that I'm selling anything, even though they might want it, because I'm just not really talking about it, and I'm hoping people are going to come to the bio and find it. And that's fine. Obviously I can also promote it through my stories, but having something pinned to the top of my reels or to the top of my post is a really good way that we can go ahead and increase conversions to this link in my bio. For example, if we go ahead and take a look at this page, Mentality, they have turned their theme page into a clothing brand and they're doing pretty well. And as you can see, they have pretty much all of their top photos pinned, showing off their clothing and whatever else. And this photo here is actually the one that piqued my interest with this whole pin method, because I had no idea that they started selling pre-workout, I believe this is, or yeah, Mentality supplements. They've started selling supplements as well, and I would have had no idea if it wasn't for this pinned post on their Instagram. So yeah, once again, that just shows you guys this really can have a big impact, because I'm like, okay, so supplements now, I might be interested in that and I might go ahead and check it out. So yeah, that's just an example of what I'm going to be doing, but instead I'm going to be using an AI generated creator to push my product for me. So of course I'm going to be doing this for my product on my page to show you guys how to do it, but if you guys want to do this for your products on your page, and the same principles apply, but you're obviously just going to change the things to be for your page or for your business. Now to do this, I'm going to be using this viral AI tool called ArcAds. And spoiler, I have already generated an ad before I went ahead and started filming this video, so that we can take a look at it and then I can show you guys how to replicate it and how to use ArcAds to your advantage. So if we come back over to my laptop, I'm going to go ahead and press play on this, and this is a video they actually generated with just a simple text prompt and me selecting the actor. So let's go ahead and press play.
If you are looking to make social media videos like these and grow your own theme page or business, then be sure to check out the Millionaire Aesthetic Growth Pack. It has everything from a course on how to grow to even giving you the resources so you can get started right away.
This is actually one of the most realistic AI generated videos I have seen, and I'm sure with some tweaking you can make it look even better. There might be a few tiny giveaways that this isn't real, but it is honestly pretty hard to tell, and you do have to have a keen eye to tell. And one reason why these videos are going viral on social media is because there are debates between whether it is AI or real content. So either way, even if it is a little bit that you can tell that this is AI, it could even be good because your post could get more engagement and more views because there's people debating in the comments whether it is real or not. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a simple script that I gave ArcAds, and that is all it takes to create an ad like these. So if you come over to this slide here, this is what you're going to be met with once you have downloaded ArcAds from the link in the description. And all you're simply going to do is write your script. So wherever it may be, you'll write your script in here, and then you're just going to go ahead and pick your AI creator, and then you can favorite some if you would like. But these actors are all like very good for different situations. The guy I chose was because he was quite a smart looking guy, and I feel like he kind of fits with the aesthetic of my page, being just simple dark colors, and he was wearing a simple black t-shirt. But yeah, there's different versions of these actors, so I went for this one. But of course there's him holding a coffee here. There's this woman in a car, which is actually one of the ones that went viral on social media. There's a bunch of different ones we can do, and there's a bunch of different creative ones, such as this one here for example, which I quite liked because the woman was walking, which made it seem even less like it's AI generated, because you can see the background moving and stuff during the ad, which I believe is real. This background doesn't look AI generated, so I'm pretty sure that like she's just walking and then the face is a thing that's AI generated. generated. But yeah, so you can choose one of these creators, and then once you have picked one, you'll just go ahead and press next. You'll type in your script and you'll press generate, and then depending on your script, they do take a little while to generate, but once they're done, they're very high quality. And if you want to make edits to this generation, then it is a lot quicker. Like, I accidentally misspelled something in my script, and to make the adjustment, it literally took 10 seconds. But to generate the first video, it did take about 30 minutes or so. And then you'll end up with something like this, which is actually a pretty good ad that you could run. And this could save you some money on paying UGC creators to create you content if you're a business. And because this is AI, of course, as well, you also have full control of it and the times it takes to make it and things like that. And I know that a lot of you guys who watch this channel don't want to show your face on social media. And to be honest, I was like that at the start as well. So this is a great way to get around it if you are looking to give your product a little bit more of a push. And like I say, you don't want to spend a bunch of money on UGC creators. And then another new feature I do quite like with ArcAds is they have now introduced street interviews. So as you can see here, like, they've got some street interviews, and these do pretty well on social media. Like, I don't know if any of you guys have seen Simon Squibb, but he's been going around a lot recently, and yeah, he's been getting tons of views with street interviews. So once again, maybe this is something that you want to test out with your page, or you want to test out running ads on. But yeah, there's a bunch of different styles that we can do for street interviews as well. Now, once you've got your video and you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and download it. And then one other thing that I would also consider doing is maybe adding some extra edits on top of these videos in a platform such as CapCut. So yeah, as you can see here, if we go to my laptop now, maybe I want to turn the volume up a little bit, or maybe I just want to add up some pop-ups on screen, and CapCut is just going to allow us to do this pretty easily. So just as a quick example for here, for example, when he says grow your own theme page, I might just go ahead and import my own little logo, and I might even go ahead and mask this and round the corners on this. And yeah, this could be a cool little pop-up that I have on screen while he is talking. So
grow your own theme page or business.
As an example, this is obviously just a quick example, but yeah, that's another good way that you can make these videos and ads even better, just by, like I say, editing your own little bits on top of it. And then once you've done your final additions in here, or maybe you don't even want to do any, then you'd of course just send this to your phone, upload it to your Instagram account, and then of course go ahead and pin it if you want to try out that strategy. Or maybe you're just going to try and use it as an organic post on Instagram, so you can do that as well. Or you might want to use it to run ads on, and of course to do that, you just go into the ad manager and set it as an ad and start running it and testing it like that. Now, all of the tools that I did use in this video, including ArcAds, will be linked in the description so you can test them out for yourself. I've actually been seeing a bunch of these on social media recently, either blown up organically or even as ads, like before I watch YouTube videos and things like that. It's actually quite interesting sometimes because I'm really trying to watch the videos to see if they are ads or not. So I thought this would be a cool video to share with you guys, to show you some of the developments with these new AI softwares that are coming out. If you guys did enjoy this video, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about anything, then be sure to stick those in the comments. And I'm going to leave a video on screen over here, as YouTube believes that you will enjoy this video. Apart from that, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.